Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get Vbucks on your Fortnite game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Fortnite game on your device, and once you open it up, you will be taken into the main menu from which you can join from various different games. Now, if you wish to get or buy Vbucks, then right within the homepage, you will see the Vbucks menu at the top right corner. Go ahead and tap on this, and now you will see the various different offers by which you can acquire Vbucks. You will need to spend your real-world currency in order to acquire them. So tap on whichever pack you wish to buy, and now you will see the purchase button. Go ahead and tap on it, and you may need to long press. After tapping on this button, you will be redirected into your Epic Games page, from which you will need to use your wallet, your Epic rewards, or other payment methods in order to finalize your payment. Just choose your payment method and provide your payment details, which include your card number, the expiration date and the CVV number, or your PayPal credentials. Once you have entered the payment details, click on the place order button, and now this will purchase the Vbucks pack that you have selected. After the payment is completed and the transaction is finalized, you will get your Vbucks within your game right away. And now you will be able to use these Vbucks rewards in order to make purchases and upgrades within your game. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to get Vbucks within your game on Fortnite. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.